Hello everyone. In our last video of SQL interview question playlist, one of our viewer requested this question to solve this using Oracle SQL. So the question is we have to find out the business days between two given dates, excluding the weekends and public holidays. So in this video, we'll solve this. So here in this list, you can see we have total 10 days. Out of those 10 days, we have one holiday and we have Saturday, Sunday. So we have to exclude this. So in our output, we'll have 7 days, which are business days. Now we'll see the query to get our desired output. So first, we have to find all the dates between two given dates, and for this, we'll use the hierarchical query. In this query, we are passing the date from and date to as a bind variable. You can see date from and date to. Now we are getting the dates by using the formula date from plus label minus 1, and the value of label will start from 1. That means our first date will be date from plus 1 minus 1, which is nothing but from date. For the next set of dates, the label will be 2, 3, 4 and so on. And thus we'll getting all the sequential dates starting from date from. Now to get the maximum value of label, you can see the formula in the connect by label, which is to date minus from date plus 1. Like if we have the 1st January as from date and 10 January as to date, then this value will be 10 minus 1 plus 1, which is 10, and we'll get all the 10 dates between 1st and 10 January. Now let's run this query. So for the date from, we are passing 1st January, and for the date to, we are passing 10 January. So you can see as an output, we are getting all the dates between 1st and 10 January. Now we'll use this entire query as CT, and in the main query, we'll exclude the Saturday, Sunday and the holidays. So I'll write with date range as, and in the main query, we'll write select generated date as business days, and to get the day like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we'll use toChar function, and here we'll put generated date comma dy, and I'll put the alias name as day. So it will provide us the uh, day for any particular dates from our city, which is date underscore range. And in the where condition, we have to exclude the Saturday, Sunday. So for this, we'll use this toChar generated date dy not in Saturday, Sunday. So I'll write SAT for Saturday and SUN for Sunday. Now also we have to exclude the holidays, and for that we have created a separate table which is public holidays, where we'll find the list of all public holidays. So this is our table that I have created. So you can see in this table we have currently 5 days as public holidays. So I'll use this table as holiday date, and the generated date will be not in this public holidays. So generated date not in, select holiday date from public holidays. So this is our query. I will run this. Now we can see we are getting only the business days, like the Saturday, Sunday has been excluded, as well as the holiday, which is 1st Jan, which is also excluded from our list. Now if you liked our video, you can hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Also, if you want to solve any other SQL query, then you can put that in the comment section. We'll create a separate video to find the solution.